What's the meaning of covert? Covert. Covert.
Covert. Covert. Covert typically refers to something that is concealed, hidden, or done in secret. It can also refer to a type of operation or activity that is intended to be kept secret or undisclosed. The term is often used in the context of espionage, where covert operations are carried out by intelligence agencies to gather information or conduct sabotage. In general, covert activities are designed to be clandestine and to avoid detection or attention from the public or other interested parties. Overall, covert implies something that is not meant to be seen or known by others.